Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to sign up to Wish. Wish is an American online e-commerce platform that facilitates transactions between sellers and buyers. It was founded in 2010 and it is operated by Context Logic Inc. in San Francisco, United States. In order to sign up for Wish, click open a web browser first. Go to the search box and type in wish.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of Wish. Now, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your email address and your password in order to log into your account. You can also log in using your Facebook, your Google, or your Apple account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up tab and then enter your first name in the first text field. Now, enter your last name on the next and enter a valid email address that you have access to. Create a password for your account on the next field. Make sure to type in a password that you can remember easily. Finally, click on Sign Up. After you do that, you'll need to answer some questions like who do you shop for and select your age from the drop-down. Click on Finish and that is it. It is that simple to sign up for Wish. This is the home page of Wish. You can search through the categories listed on the screen and start buying. That is how you can easily sign up for Wish. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.